This could be the car for you. The 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle still has fewer than 10,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Traverse delivers all-weather capability, sleek styling, a spacious and quiet interior, ample cargo storage, and technology that keeps you safe and connected wherever your adventures may take you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, third-row seat, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Life can be complicated. Why not drive a vehicle that's got your back? Get into the Traverse and exhale.